Danielle, thank you. A federal judge today blocked the Alabama Secretary of State from continuing a purge at the state's voting rolls, and the court ordered several steps to notify thousands of people wrongly included on that list.
That ruling found the program led by Secretary of State Wes Allen violated the Voting Rights Act because it began after a 90-day pre-election deadline. But that was not the only error identified through a lawsuit challenging the removal program. News
19's chief investigative reporter Brian Lawson joining us here at 5 now with more. Brian.
Right. The purge program began in August with the stated goal of preventing non-citizens from voting. Evidence presented in a lawsuit, however, challenging the program found the error rate was more than 60%. In other words, more than 2,000 of the 3,200 people targeted for removal from the voting list are actually U.S. citizens. Now, in today's preliminary injunction, the court said Alabama blew the deadline for the program. Basically, the law bars mass removals too close to Election Day. The concern is errors may not be fixed in time to allow people to vote. The court had ordered several steps the Secretary of State has to take, including notifying every county's voting registrar within 3 days to restore voters who'd been on the list, and they must send out a notice informing those voters of their eligibility. People who've been asked to be removed from the list, people who've died and are facing false voting charges, all those folks will not be notified. Now, the original notice to voters also informed them they're being referred to the Attorney General for prosecution. Now, given all the errors, the Secretary of State must notify the Attorney General on the updated list and point out the errors they'd made. The court also stressed non-citizens are not allowed to vote. Secretary of State can continue to remove individual non-citizens, and the program isn't officially ended, it's just put on hold. Now, Secretary of State Wes Allen addressed the ruling this afternoon, saying it doesn't change his duty under the law. He said, "I will comply with the order of the federal court. I have a constitutional duty to ensure that only eligible American citizens are voting in our elections." Now, the Justice Department was among the parties that sued to stop the purge. The DOJ said in a statement today, this action sends a clear message that the Justice Department will work to ensure that the rights of eligible voters are protected. Now, the ruling only pauses the program before Election Day. The lawsuit challenging it will also continue. Tamika?